Okay, so you've got a course in Desire2Learn and you want to import it into Canvas. Here's how you do it. Go into Desire2Learn, find your course. In my case, I'm going to use this course from last spring. You can see here I've got a number of assignments. I've got a discussion board that I'm going to want to import over. And going back to the home, you can see the calendar widget not showing up because this is an old course, but I have events entered in the calendar for the time period in which the course occurred, and I want to get all those over as well as any files that I've got uploaded here. So I'm going to click Edit Course. That brings up a list of tools, and as I scroll down I can find the Export Course Components tool, Import, Export, Copy Components. That's the one I want, and I'm going to export those components. And I can choose whether or not to include course files. So if I have uploaded a syllabus or lecture notes, I might include those. I'm going to turn that off just to have this download go a little faster. I have about 170 megabytes of files, and as a result it takes several hours to complete this process. But if I turn off those files, it will go much faster. Okay, so I can choose what I want to export. I recommend you just export everything. You'll be given the choice of what you want to import in Canvas when you import this content. So by exporting everything, then you have everything available to you if at some point you decide you want to import it. Okay, so I collect everything, select everything, and hit Next. This just gives me a chance to confirm. And now it does a little bit of work packing all of this up into a zip file. I click Done, it will show me a link to download that zip file. So you want to do that to get it onto your computer. Now I can switch over to Canvas. So I'll log in and go to the course that I want to update. I've got this practice course set up. I'm going to update this. So in my list of tools, I have a settings option. I'm going to want to go into that settings. And when I do that, on the right sidebar, I get an import content into this course option. So that's what I want to do. I have a few different ways I can import content. In this case, I want to import content from a content package or of another system. And now I get to choose what system I'm importing from. That's Desire2Learn. I've exported a zip file from Desire2Learn, so that's what I want to import into Canvas. I'm given a browser interface to choose that file. And I can choose which components of the course I want to migrate now. So if I exported everything, but I decide I really don't want to import those old discussion boards, I can select this and then selectively choose what I import. I'll just go ahead and import everything. Depending on how much content you have, it may take several minutes to an hour or so to do this import. Canvas will automatically send you an email when the import is complete. Okay, so I'll open up my mail. I see I've gotten an email from Canvas with a link where I can go to complete my import. I'll follow that link, and here's what is available for importing. I'm given another chance to deselect items that I don't want to complete, and I'm given the option to adjust the date ranges. So I can remap the dates for this course onto a new set of dates. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. This course was taught in the spring of 2012. I'm just going to update it to be spring of 2013. And the dates might start, I don't know offhand what the dates of the semester are, but I'll just type in something slightly different so we can see how that works. And click Import. Once again, it's going to take a little bit of time. And again, they will send you an email when this process is complete. Okay, so my process is complete. I have an email that was sent to me, but it didn't take very long, so I don't actually need to go that way. Now you can see here are the discussion boards that I had in my Desire2Learn course. They've been imported into Canvas. You'll notice that no messages got ported over. I'm not sure if that's a bug or that's a result of the fact that this course doesn't have any users in it, so there's no one to attribute those posts to. My assignments all got ported over. Right, so those are available here in the assignments. And I can go through and I can just check everything that I expected to be there and see if it made it over and if it needs any tweaking to the formatting. So here's the syllabus that I had, and perhaps if I stretch this out, you can see that the due dates for these homework assignments and the dates of these lectures that I was given have been updated using the new date range that I provided. And yeah, that's my new course. So your mileage may vary as to how much of this imports properly. I'd be interested to hear what problems you have or issues you have, but for converting the bulk of your content, this would be the way to go.